Hey everybody, welcome back to Jimmy is Promo, and today I have a huge mystery box, or a Mi-Stery box, in front of me. This mystery box was sent to me by Xiaomi, and there is an opportunity for anybody that's watching this video to be a part of the Guinness Book of World Records. Now before we open up this huge mystery box to see what is inside from Xiaomi, let's first talk about how you're able to be a part of this Guinness Book of World Record opportunity of the world's largest unboxing event. Now they're trying to go for more than 634 people, so if you are interested, here is all the information. So I will be placing this link inside the description below the video if you are interested and you want to be a part of this. And if you live in New York, or if you're planning to go to New York, or if you need a reason to go to New York, here's another reason. So again, this website is in the description below the video. So join us to get your own mystery box and break the Guinness World Record of most people unbox simultaneously in New York. It'll happen at 1 p.m. on December 21st, and location is the Oculus Plaza in New York. So all you'd have to do is just click on the start button, put in your first name, last name, and your phone number. Then you'll get a verification code, and then you type in the verification code here, and then you accept the terms. Now, if you want to learn a little bit more, you can check out what is inside the box. You can check out some FAQs, and you can also email them. So what exactly could be inside of these boxes? So here's more details that you're also able to get off of the internet. Xiaomi is inviting you to join the Mi-Stery box event and break the Guinness World Record of most people unboxed simultaneously together. Again, the location is the Oculus Plaza at the corner of Fulton Street and Church Street in New York, happening Saturday, December 21st at 1 p.m. So what could be inside the box? So you have the Mi laser projector going all the way up to 150 inches of screen and valued at $2,000. You have the Mi electric scooter valued at $450, which I have this here. I love this thing. I've had it for about a year now, and it just gets me all around town. You also have a Mi robot rover, the Mi robot builder, both of them right around 140, 170. You also have the Mi true wireless headphone, the Mi Box S, the Mi truck builder. You also have a home security camera. Here's a Power Bank Pro, a Bluetooth headset, and the Mi wireless charging pad. So you're able to get any of these one items right here. So I'm actually pretty excited to open this box. Let's see what is inside. Now that we cut off all of the flaps, we have a little bit more area to work with. Let's see what is inside. So this first one looks like a plush animal. This one was not a part of what we just checked out. But hey, let's just take a look at this thing and let's see what is inside. I have a feeling, my son is just gonna love this thing. I have no idea what this is, but it looks like you can also probably engrave that name tag if you want to. But hey, here's the first thing out of the box. It is a plushed stuffed animal. Thank you for sending that over. All right, now next up is going to be the Mi Box S. So this one is a 4K Ultra HD set-top box. This will plug into your TV, giving you not only Android TV, but also a built-in Chromecast and Google Assistant. Really, if you don't have already a smart TV, this thing will make it a smart TV. You just plug it in, here's your remote, and it gives you all the services of Netflix, Vudu, ESPN, Sling, YouTube. So if you have any of these accounts, you'd be able to log in, check it out, Showtime, Stars, all that good stuff. And it is, capable of doing that 4K Ultra HD plus HDR. This one has a quad-core CPU and a 3+2 core GPU. So this one definitely going to be plugging in, playing around, and testing. Next up, this one is the 10 watt max Mi wireless charging pad. So you can see I actually have a charging pad right over there. I'm going to place this one in its spot so I can use this so I can charge all my devices as I'm shooting the videos. So very cool accessory to have inside. What else do we got here? Okay, so this one is the Mi home security camera, 360 degrees, quality at 1080p. I don't know much about this. On the back of the box here, it does have, it shoots in HD, which is 1080p, has a 360 panoramic, so my guess is that it is able to spin around there. It has a infrared night vision along with the movement detection. It has a two-way connection H.265 encoding, the multi-speed playback, and full color with low light. So pretty excited. It looks like you'll be able to plug this thing in, maybe connect it to the internet, and then be able to really, capture everything. So this is something that's going to be coming in use because we actually do have a puppy that's pregnant and a baby that's on the way as well. So we're going to be placing this either in the baby room or to watch the puppies for a little while because, both of them take a lot of attention. What is in this huge box here? So taking a look at what just came out of the box, it looks like a desk lamp, and it won an award, the Good Design Award in 2016. Let's see here. So the Mi LED desk lamp, and then it has the model right there. Life expectancy is approximately 25,000 hours. Color temperature range is from 2700 to 6500 Kelvin. A rated input power of 6 watts. So yeah, I'll definitely be plugging this thing in. Looks like on the very bottom is our little spinner to change the temperature. If you want it to kind of be cool or warm, however you want it to. So that's actually a pretty good touch right there. And then looks like lastly is going to be a bag. And since we're done with this box, let's move it out of the way. And right here we have a urban lifestyle backpack. So it's kind of looking inside of here. It looks like it's kind of two-tone. You kind of have that turquoise looking color on the inside. You also have a bag compartment right here. So this would be for maybe a cell phone, a charger, things like that. On the top over here, you do have a handle. When you open this up, you're gonna have room for laptop, tablet, and then everything else that you need, to go just right in here. So let's bring this up just a little bit so I don't have to bend over as much. Here's everything that was inside of my Mi-Stery box. This right here is the LED desk lamp. So super excited to try this thing out, spin the dial, change the color temperature. Also this urban lifestyle backpack, definitely gonna come in handy with traveling. Here's gonna be the 10-watt wireless charging pad. Here is a connected camera. So it looks like it's just the Mi Home Security Camera 360, 180 degree quality, able to spin around, nighttime mode, two-way communication. Here's the Mi Box S. Plug this into any TV to give you Android TV along with the built-in Chromecast, the Google Assistant, and all of these TV services, along with a really cool plush. So thank you again for Xiaomi for sending off this Mi-Stery box. And again, if you guys are interested to be a part of this really cool Guinness Book of World Record opportunity, if you live in New York, if you're trying to find a reason to go to New York or another reason to get to New York right around the holiday season, December 21st on Saturday, 1 p.m., you have an event. Just make sure you click on that link below the video inside the description in order to, be a part of this program. You have to sign up by midnight or before midnight on the 20th to be a part of the event on the 21st. But I hope you guys have liked this video. If you guys did, please give this thing a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to hit on subscribe on the very bottom left-hand side. And if you like this video, then more than likely you'll like the other video on the other side. And I'll see you guys later.